In 2021, people are starting to use smartphones to create content. The cameras are getting crazy. And with TikTok, for example, you only need a smartphone. Today, we are going to talk about a way to level up your smartphone video with this SmallRig universal video rig for your smartphone. This rig will give you audio, lighting, and stability updates using only in your smartphone. Let's dive in. Welcome back, or welcome. And if that's the case, let me tell you, I do tech reviews and unboxing like this one. And if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. With this said, let's start the review of the SmallRig video rig kit. And I will tell you how we go from this to this in a few moments. Let's start with the price. The SmallRig smartphone video rig kit has a price tag of £124.99 for the UK, and for the US, the price tag is $169. Like always, I will leave links in the video description for best price and product information. If you are just starting creating content and you only have your smartphone, and doesn't matter if your content is horizontal or vertical content for TikTok, Stories, IG Lives, or YouTube Lives, or for the new YouTube Shorts, you need this rig. This thing is amazing. This is an all-in-one rig made by SmallRig, and this is cool because they make pretty high-end stuff for more expensive cameras. They have this high-end kit with the name of Universal Video Rig, and that's because we work with any phone on the market. But let's just check what you will get with this kit, and it's quite a lot. You will get a universal phone cage that will hold any phone that you will ever own, and is built to last. A desktop tripod, a power bank holder that goes in the back of your phone cage, 2 side handles, a cool shoe mount that can be mounted anywhere, an LED light that goes from 2700 kelvins all the way to 6500 kelvins, and is also diffused with a USB-C port, a microphone, and I will give you some sound samples in just a moment, a shock mount for the mic, a dead cat for the mic outside, a Type-C charging cable, 4 Allen wrenches to be able to mount this thing together, and 2 3.5mm cables, one TRRS and the other one TRS. Another thing included on this kit, and that goes along with the professional name on the box, is the 2 dongles adapters for either iPhone or Android, with USB-C type charging and lightning adapter. They have also the 3.5mm female, as well as a USB cable to charge at the same time, if you have the mic plugged in on your smartphone, as well as the power bank on the back of your rig. Like I said before, this rig is built so well and is heavy duty. It's not going to break even if you drop it. It's really nice to put your phone, that those days are quite expensive, on something that will protect it really well, like this SmallRig kit. This rig can be as customizable as you want. The rig is full of screw threads around it. You can change it from horizontal to vertical. For example, you can change the mic position or the light position. You can add more things. It's designed to be used as you want because it's your rig. Next, let me show you the mic sound samples. I'll be using the iPhone mic and the mic coming with the rig. I'm not recording on my phone. I'm inside of the room, so this is the sound of a microphone inside of the house. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. And we're gonna go outside in a minute and do the vlogging outside, so you guys can see the difference of the microphone and using the iPhone only. So this is a nice setup for vlogging. It's quite, I do like it. It's a bit heavy, that's true, but the phones those days, like iPhone, you don't need the gimbal. It's just a good, go over, be here. So yeah, so it's a good setup for vlogging, as you guys can see. The iPhone got ultra wide lenses, so with the light, it's quite good. As you guys can see, it's nice.
and I like it. Okay, I will not go with this where is a lot of people around, because it's like, oh, what is it doing? What is that guy doing? But if you want to vlog on like here, for example, or just do TikTok videos, for example, this is the right setup in my opinion. Right, so I'm not using the microphone coming with a SmallRig, not the iPhone microphone, so let me know what you guys think. Any good the sound? Any difference from the previous clip? Let me know. It's not windy, it's a bit windy, nothing that much, so let me know what you guys think. And yeah, we're gonna carry on with the testing. So guys, I'm using the SmallRig. I'm vlogging with my iPhone and I'm not using the light at the moment, so sorry guys. So let me turn, I'm gonna turn the light on. Alright guys, now I'm vlogging with the light on. It's quite bright, to be fair. I don't know if it's any different outside, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about the light as well.
So, my opinion on this rig. This rig is pretty serious. Look like a spaceship in my hands. But in my opinion, this is without any doubt for serious content creators that are using their smartphone. Everything is built to last, with great quality. The handles on the sides add some stability when you're getting the B-roll shots, for example, and not having to worry about the light foiling it. This is a serious rig. You can have a cheaper ones, but it's not the same. SmallRig has made the perfect rig in my opinion. The fact that you have the power bank holder is great. Let's not forget that you are using a smartphone. And the strength of the ball head on the tripod is amazing. You can put the rig on any position and will stay there forever. And that's it guys, this was a review on the SmallRig video kit. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, let me wish you a lovely day and I'll catch you later.